This is the afternoon weather. Man, crazy, huh, y'all? Look at that, it goes all across. Fucking nuts. Almost the whole thing all the way around. Pretty crazy, huh, y'all? Compared to the way I did it in the morning. Ain't that something? Our weather just changes a blink of an eye. 1 minute is bright, sunshiny, and then look at this. Storm. I got a little bit of rain, but I went through it, so it's coming this direction, I believe. So I'm kind of like racing with the rain right now. But yeah, I just wanted y'all to see the crazy Minnesota weather for y'all. Stay safe, y'all. Deuces.